Okay, Fred Burrow, Swift Plumbers. This is my third video here, and what I'm going to show you, new shower head. It's working great. We have no leaks at this time. Now, this is a weak piece of metal, always the shower arms where they're going into that brass. So if you hang on them, pull on them, tighten them the wrong way, you can cause this to leak again. But you can see as I'm running, I'm going to run that shower and show you. All right, there's not a drip out of that fitting now. And what we had to do, the tricky part to this, my hand's wet from the shower there, but the tricky part is to get this new fitting. As you can see that? My Teflon tape, no leaks at all. We knew this was going to break off, so we had to peel this fitting out of there and then get that new one in there and confirm there's no leaks. So this part of that job is done. A lot of cleanup here, a lot of water damage that needs taken care of. Not by me, I'm leaving it as you see it, which is the disaster I walked into. So I'm gonna walk outside here now that it looks like I've got all my tools. And this whole room, like I said in other videos, this whole area got flooded. I ran that bathtub, no water came out at this time, but if it were additional water running somewhere, I wouldn't see it. So if there is a drain issue or something in that tub, it's unknown at this point. Get all the cleanup done, but there's nothing that looks to be leaking over there at this time. Customer asked if he should repipe the home. Well, it's inferior copper pipe. Of course you should. Why would you keep a time bomb in your pocket? Doesn't make sense to me. Now, I'm going to show you, we tried to sweat onto that old copper. You're going to see I had to redo this once. I got rid of that old gate valve. And old copper a lot of times won't suck to. It gets so dimpled, it's pitted. But now, right now, what you can see is we put some paint on there to UV protect it. That should be touched up again later. Right here, off. That's going to shut off after that water drains back down out of the system. Just showing that our new valve does work. All right, so it's an easy ball valve now. We had to adapt that from CPVC to this existing copper. I'm going to turn that back on. You see the valve works in the on position. So our valve is sturdy, incorrect, free of leaks, and working. And like I said, I put on that primer to UV protect that plastic pipe. That's to code. That's how we're supposed to do it. But I would go ahead and touch up the paint. You can even use house paint or whatnot over it, or just a spray paint as well. But that's my initial job there. We're going to pick this stuff up. We're going to input our parts, add this video in, and get out of here.